A. She has got a stomachache. B. They have got a temperature. C. He has got a cough. He has got a cough. D. She has got an earache. E. He has got a backache. F. He has got a toothache. G. They have got a cold. H. He has got a headache.